Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today, this week was basically continuously bullish. We were expecting that market would go down, first go up and then go down. But if you see in the daily charts, what happened was that market first went down and then it came up, right? So that's why market exactly closed. I mean, we hit our target of 48,000, but basically market first went down and then it went up, right? Talking about Nifty, same thing. Market went down a little bit, but then continued to move up. And Nifty is also very, very bullish over here, right? So we still have some space left till 22,000 now. But there will be a bit of resistance at 21,500. But once we cross that, we have another 500 points for Nifty to easily capture on the upside. So what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple over here. In the weekly charts, there is no sign of selling first of all as of now. Maybe we might see a pause, maybe we might not. That depends on where the market opens tomorrow also and how the market moves in the next 1 or 2 days, right? So as of now in the weekly charts, it doesn't look like anything is bearish, and it looks like we will continue to move up in Bank Nifty also, because basically there is a lot of bullish momentum in the market. And if the market will also take a little bit of pause, we will get to know that very easily, right? Once we see price action and what points we need to see in the market. In the daily charts, if you see, market now broke out from here and then it is now continuing to move up, right? So maybe Bank Nifty might go up something like till 48,500 first of all, and then take a little bit of resistance. That can happen. Nifty can also go down, go up a little bit from here, 21,600 or 21,800. All these levels are open for Nifty also, and it doesn't look like the bullish momentum is stopping anytime over here. It looks like the market will continue to move up from here, right? So what can we do in Nifty is very simple. First of all, talking about Bank Nifty, what can we do in the 15-minute chart? As told you guys yesterday, like below, once we break this low, and if we see that market is not sustaining below this low, we can go ahead and take a buying position. And from there itself, market went up, right? So that is the power of trap trading. I said that once we break this swing low and once people start selling over here, if you see in this candle itself, people started selling. But if we are not sustaining below that low, you guys can go ahead and take a buying position. And from there itself, market took a little bit of while, but yes, from there itself, market went up and closed higher, touched our target of 48,000 also. We first kept a target of 47,800, I think, and then we kept a target of 48,000. So all targets hit. What can we do for tomorrow? Very simple, right? Now, Bank Nifty has given a breakout, fresh breakout in 15-minute chart. If you see, basically above this high. So if Bank Nifty comes back below 47,900, that means this is a breakout failure. And then the chances are that market might take a little bit of pullback on the downside, and then we will think of selling in the market. Until then, we will not think of selling in the market anymore, right? Either we get the market too high and then we sell, or once we see a breakout failure happening, right? And that too also not without confirmation, because this market is super bullish. So if we are trying to sell, we do not want to get in front of a train that's going 100 kilometers per hour, right? So we want to sell at the right point whenever there is an opportunity, and not with a big quantity until and unless we see some sort of a proper momentum building up on the selling side, right? So what can we do in Bank Nifty tomorrow? If we open with a little bit of gap down near 48,000 or 48,050, that's fine. If we are seeing that market is taking support from 47,950 levels, right? 47,950 to 900, basically this zone will be very important. If we are seeing that market is taking support from this level, and if you are seeing that market is making positive price action, let's say either double bottom or let's say higher high over here in 5-minute chart, then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here from here till 48,150. That will be our first target. What will happen is, basically, if market goes below 48,000 tomorrow, right, a lot of people will again start selling the market, but they do not see that the market has given a clear breakout over here and there is a very good support. So once the market does come over here, and if you are seeing that market is taking support from here, market is not ready to go down, you can think of buying over here. till the first target of 48,150, and then you can hold on for 48,400 also. Maybe 48,400 might not come tomorrow itself, but if you want to, you can book all of your profit at 48,150, or you can hold it till 48,400. That will be our next target, right? If market opens, let's say, with a gap up straight up near 48,500 to 400, right? This zone will be very important. Actually, not even 400, 500 to 450. In this 50-point range, if we are seeing that market is making negative price action, if we are seeing that the selling candles are very big in the 5-minute chart, right? Or the selling that is happening is pretty good, right? So then we will think of selling over there, but we'll wait for negative price action in 5-minute chart, and only then we will think of selling. We want a lower low pattern over there, and only then we'll think of selling over there. Our target then will be 48,200 first of all, and then we can aim for 47,900 also. Those targets will be for intraday only, right? We do not know where till after that, till where the market will go down. So those targets will only be for intraday. Do not hold your positions for basically take them overnight, because chances are, if so what happens in a bullish market is that maybe market might go down in intraday, but then it opens gap up again, right, the next day. If you want an example, very simple over here, right? Just give me a second. Basically, I can, yeah, if you see over here, right, market was looking a bit bearish, but then it opened gap with a gap up again, right? So many times this happens is that market, a lot of times in a bullish market, we close bearish, but we sometimes open bullish, right? We sometimes open very bullish. So we do not want to get trapped on the wrong side. However, if you feel like you want to take your positions overnight, also selling positions, at least wait for the market to close on the day's low. If the market is closing near the day's low, only then think of taking a short position home. Until then, do not think of taking taking your short position home. Basically, now if you open with a gap down below 48,000, how is the momentum over here? That is very important, right? Below 47,900, if you are seeing that market is making negative price action, you can go ahead and take a short position over here. Your first target will be 47,680 on the downside, and then your second target will be 47,500 on the downside, because chances are market will continue to move down over here and go till at least 47,500. It will go down even more, but for intraday we will book our targets, because from there chances are market could be get a little volatile and then start to move down again, right? Because then if you open the gap down, a lot of people will start to square off their positions, and we will see a little bit of profit booking in the market. So that is for bank nifty. What can we do for nifty is, if you see nifty, it has also broken out, and now 21,320 will be very important level. Below 21,320, once we start making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade. Your target will straight up be, first of all, 21,240, and then you can keep 21,200 also, right? Because market has given a very good up move in basically the last, you can say, hour, and then if the market comes back down again, that will be a breakout failure, and then nifty will continue to move down, right? So below 21,320, if you open with a gap down, let's say 100-point gap down near 21,350, we will not go ahead and take a short position instantly. We want the market to go below 21,320 and start making negative price action. In the 5-minute chart is also fine, but we want the market to make negative price action, and then we'll go ahead and take a short position, first of all to 21,250 and then 21,200. These will be our two targets on the downside, right? If the market opens with a gap up, and if you are seeing that nifty is taking support from 21,370, however, one thing to note in nifty is that the support is a bit far away. So even if nifty takes support and starts move, you may not see such a good momentum as compared to bank nifty. So if you want to buy, focus a bit more on bank nifty. But yes, anywhere below near 21,380 to 360, if you are seeing that nifty is holding this level and taking support from here, you can think of buying up again from here, with the first target of 21,450 on the upside, and then 21,500 also, right? On the upside, if you open the gap up somewhere near 21,600 or even higher, then as I said, wait for negative price action. If you are seeing that market is making negative price action in 5-minute chart, then you can go ahead and take a short position over there also. Your target will straight up be first of all 21,500 and then 21,450 on the downside, right? Then maybe market might take some time over here, or basically spend some time over here and then start to move down, or take a little bit of pullback and again start to move up. So yeah guys, that was it for today. Even as of now in the weekly charts, there is no sign of bearishness. It doesn't look like the market will stop anytime over here, so we will continue with the trend until unless the trend is with us. We will continue and we will keep on buying on dips. Make sure to buy on dips, because if you buy at higher levels, any sort of a pullback any sort of a pullback will kill you. Basically, any sort of a pullback will throw you out of your trade. So always remember to make sure to buy at on dips. Basically buy at a bit lower levels and hold those positions, right? In bank nifty also, I told you guys, buy at lower levels and from there itself market continue to move up. If you would have bought over here at the opening itself, you would have hit your stop loss, right? And then the market would have moved. So buy at lower levels and then hold on to your positions. Do not buy at higher levels on in such markets, right? Because the pullbacks over here will throw you out of your position and then the market will continue to move up. So yeah guys, that was it for today and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.